Hello friends, my name is Asit Kamri. I am studying in 8th standard at DCP Academy Nilanga. Today I am here to explain you about the experiment of Rutherford's model of an atom. You can see the setup behind me. So Rutherford firstly explained that the model of an atom, structure of an atom by his scattering experiment, in which a thin foil of metals like gold was bombarded with fastly moving alpha particles. Alpha rays are nothing but positively charged helium nucleus. There were some observations on this experiment. Firstly, most of the alpha particles travel in a straight line through the gold foil. Second, some of them get deflected by small angles. Third, very few, one amongst 12,000 alpha particles appear to be rebound back. There were some conclusions on these observations. On the basis of first observation, it was described that most of the space in the atom is empty as most of the particles travel in a straight line through the gold foil. On the basis of second observation, the conclusion is that some of the particles get deflected by small angles, as indicating that the positively charged nucleus occupies very less space. On the basis of third observation, the conclusion is that one amongst 12,000 alpha particles appear to be rebound back, because the positively charged nucleus and mass is concentrated at the center, called nucleus. The biggest contribution of Rutherford was discovery of nucleus. Negatively charged electrons revolve around the nucleus. Thank you.